How to reopen Instagram photos already viewed mobile. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reopen Instagram photos that you've already viewed, especially those sent in DMs. Let's get straight into it. If someone sent you a view once photo Instagram in a DM, what you need to do is simply open your Instagram app, make sure you're logged into your account. Simply go to the messages tab. Here, as you can see, this friend has sent me a photo message. Simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, you'll be able to view the photo for unlimited period of time. But once you go back, as you can see here, it does not show, but you can simply watch it again. But this will be the last time you can watch it. As you can see here, the photo highlighted option has been gone. It means you won't be able to repeatedly view the photo more than twice. So if you want to view it again, as you can see here, if you tap on it again, you can watch for the unlimited period of time. So until and unless you're done with the photo, you should not tap on back, and that's how you can simply reopen Instagram photos. But if you want to save it in the chat, you need to ask your friend to simply send it in your chat, and that's how you can simply reopen Instagram photos that you've already viewed.